Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar dropped 0.8% against the yen in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.1% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold rose 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair gained 0.1% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.4% during the session. The CCI is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices rose to their highest in 2 weeks, with the safe haven metal benefiting from a wilting US dollar and as Treasury yields declined on subdued risk appetite. The safe haven dollar clawed back some of its overnight losses, and the yen also strengthened as US stock futures sank following a profit warning from Snapchat, souring the mood after Wall Street's strong start to the week. The Giving Block is partnering with Shift4 for a non-profit donation campaign with the Miami Impact Index Fund. The campaign is called Caring with Crypto, and the CEO of Shift4 will be personally matching the first $10 million in cryptocurrency donations.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's construction work done will be released at 0130 GMT. Germany's GfK Consumer Confidence Survey at 0600 hours GMT. The US durable goods orders at 1230 GMT. Japan's leading economic index will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's coincident index at 0500 hours GMT. Germany's gross domestic product at 0600 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.